Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make a dosa which is the mixture of many grains, many flours I am using into it. So it is very healthy and very delicious. Along with that also I'll be adding a few vegetables which is very good for health. So come on guys, let's check out the ingredients and the recipe. In a mixing bowl just add a cup of semolina, a cup of wheat flour, around half cup of cornmeal, half cup of chickpea flour and half cup of ground rice. Instead of ground rice you can also use rice flour. Now to this I am adding a cup of finely chopped peppers. This is colored peppers I am using. Then a cup of finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped carrot and onions. To this I am again adding half teaspoon of grated ginger, around 1 tablespoon of garlic and green chili paste. Garlic is around 10 to 12 cloves and 2 green chilies. Also it depends on the spiciness, how spicy you want it. To this add around a teaspoon of red chili powder, around a teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Add little bit of butter, salt to taste. Add water and go on mixing. There should be no lumps into it. Butter will give a very nice crispiness to the dosa. The consistency of the batter should be just as the dosa batter. You can also use mixed flour sada dosa without adding the vegetables into it. Now the batter is ready. I have started to heat up the pan and now I'll start making the dosas. Put some batter on the tawa and go on spreading it just as you do with the dosa. Put some butter onto it and spread it. Cook it on a low to medium flame. When the bottom part turns crispy, a golden brown, turn it over and cook from the other side. When you are making plain dosa or you are not adding vegetables, at that time you can just cook from one side and it is done. But due to the vegetables, this dosa tends to be a bit thicker, so it's good if you just roast the other side as well. Once this is done, so just remove it from the pan and serve it. I'll show you one more. Once this is done, so just fold it over and serve it hot with your favorite chutney or sambar. To make sada dosa, you can see this is the same batter just without vegetables. So I'll just show you how to make sada dosa with this. Now on a heated pan, just pour a bit of batter and spread it across just as you spread the dosa. Put a bit of butter onto it, spread it across and let it roast for a few minutes. Around 2 minutes it will take. When it turns crispy and the bottom is golden brown in color, then it is ready to serve. You can see how crispy it has turned out. You can just remove it from the pan and serve it. If you have liked this video, click on like and share and subscribe for more delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.